Thank you for joining me. So today I have a box. I've not broken the rules of my low buy. This was money that I had left over from what we kind of put aside for Poppy's bills. And Steve just said to me, just use it, just buy yourself something nice. So I looked on kind of like a glossy box, will I get this, will I get that, will I get next? And I thought I'm just going to look on, find a mystery box. So I went on to Depop, where I've picked up some bits and pieces of makeup before. So I thought I'll go on, have a wee look. And this is a full face mystery box. Right? I love the packaging, it's actually a Tilly box. A full face mystery box, all new and unused. And what you receive is an eyeshadow palette, mascara, blush, bronzer, highlighter, lip product, beauty blender or brush. You'll also receive a free gift. So I like the idea of that. If you want a specific colour, let me know and I'll try and do my best. So it's a mix of drugstore and high end, and it was £20 plus postage and packaging. But I've opened it up, right? Take the paper off and it's all wrapped. I thought that was really sweet. So you're seeing this completely blind with me. I'll put details in the description box if you're interested in going to Depop and getting your own box. Right, so here goes. So this is like kind of Christmas, isn't it? Opening it up. So there's a Sport FX. So this just must be a wee freebie that's been popped in. I'm actually currently using one of these in the bathroom at the moment. They're really good at cleansing. So what I tend to do is take my makeup off with a micellar cleansing water type of thing, and then I use a cleanser. Or sometimes I use a cleansing oil and then I might go in with a cleanser, or just use a cleansing oil twice, or just use a cleanser twice. That's all double cleanse means, really. Just use a little bit less but do it twice. That way you're guaranteed to pick everything up. But I use micellar water and then a cleanser. But these are brilliant and they're a really good size. So the little like glove ones that I had were kind of little kind of fiddly things, but these are fantastic size. So delighted. And you can tell it's kind of never been used or anything. It smells like it's come from a smoke-free kind of home as well. There's no smell to it, which is good. It's really weird that I just sniffed that. I know, I sniff everything, right? I am a weirdo. So anyway, before I kind of make this video too long, I'm going to go in. I love the way it's wrapped as well. So I did open the box, but I couldn't peek. I like that, you know, if you can't peek, because I spoil everything by peeking, to be honest with you. So everything's well wrapped in bubble wrap. I don't know what it is because I can't get into it. I should have grabbed six scissors, I didn't think. But oh, this first one, so go in. So the first one is a bronzer, and it's Sun Kiss Bronzer by MUA Makeup Academy. Oh, that looks lovely. Soft fan brushing powder that adds instant colour and definition, and it's cruelty free as well. Looking forward to trying that. So this next product here, the box is rattling. What is it? Oh wow! Oh, I love this. It's Illamasqua and it's Hydrovale Rehydrating Gel. Oh, this is good. I've had this before, and it's a little pot. It's a little pot, but that's what you see there. Looking forward to using that. Oh, that's nice. That must be a wee freebie as well. Hydrates and smooths the skin, protects against dryness, minimises the look of pores, perfect canvas for your foundation. So it says it's the best selling clear gel. It instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smoothed. Lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin. It's perfect base for long wear foundation application, leaving your skin looking flawless. So yep, infused with vitamin B3 and sodium hyaluronic. I can't say that. Anyway, that's a lovely wee freebie. Looking forward to trying that. So next we have, what do we have? All well packaged. And so far so good. So far far, so good. Oh, it's the Body Shop, and it is Shine a Liquid Liquid Apple Taffy 006. Well, that looks fab. Try and open it now. It's always a challenge for me in the packaging. I've actually not just painted my nails, so I don't have to worry about that. They've been done. I think because I work on kind of keyboard all day, they just get really, and I never wear gloves. And I'd wash my dishes by hand because I hate using the dishwasher. So I will open it. Oh, that's a gorgeous colour. Apple Taffy. Oh, I love the applicator. I've currently got one like that on the L'Oreal one that I'm using. So that is really pretty. Looking forward to trying that. So the point of this box is that you would have everything with the exception of like foundations and powders and stuff to create a look. So there would be all those things listed there. So it wasn't just random pieces of makeup thrown in, which I like the idea of as well. And there is an Ico, it's quite a big one, Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curl. So transform your lashes, it's massive. Transform your lashes, designed for after hour seduction. Our ultimate mascara creates drama, volume and curl with water resistant carbon black finish. So that will help me actually, because as you know, I've got really watery eyes, and if I wear regular mascara, it runs. It's not too bad in the house as long as I can avoid kind of my eyes getting watery, but outside, if it's sunny or whatever, oof, that is it. It's all over my face. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I'm actually in the office tomorrow, so I might try it there. Oh, look at this. I love this brush. So it's a Spectrum, and it is what I hope is a foundation brush, because I had to throw my other two away and I'm using a beauty blender. So I'm really pleased that this was a brush that I received. And it's so cute. The fact it's all wrapped as well makes it seem like Christmas. Yeah, really pleased with everything so far. Trying to work out what this is. Rip the bubble wrap. Rip the bubble wrap. Oh, wow. It says bite-sized face duo, duo miniature elf, and it is watermelon. So it's a rouge, it's a blusher and a highlighter. That's gorgeous, isn't it? I like the fact it's the 2-in-1 as well, because that kind of thing I love to take away with me. And I'm going away in April, so just for a work thing. Nothing exciting. Heading to Liverpool though. Never been. I've travelled to Liverpool, but I've never been to Liverpool. What is this? Oh wow, this is NARS. Look at the packaging on that. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. It's a little kind of lip glossy. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that's so nice to use. Too nice to use. The packaging is beautiful. I've only ever seen the black packaging on NARS. So far we've got Ico, Illamasqua, Spectrum, Elf, NARS, MUA, Body Shop, Sport FX. Really doing well with the brands. So, oh, I thought it was the last item. I've got 2 items here. It's an eye pencil, I think. Yeah, because it's a sleek, life-proof 12-hour wear kohl. So I'm actually going to try these 2 together tomorrow when I leave the house. What I might actually do is do a look with this box. If you're interested, let me know. And this is the one really excited to try and see what it is. I'm really excited to try. I don't know what it is, but I'm really excited to see what it is. Oh wow, it's the Friends Revolution shadow palette. Look at the packaging. I love the Revolution Forever Flawless. It's Forever Flawless. I'll be there for you. The quality of these eyeshadows are absolutely amazing. Oh wow. And they've got umbrellas on them. So they've got all different names. Chandler's Job, Share Food, Ride Along, Cuffs, Race Car Bed, Tan, Kips, Dirty Day, Chickenpox, Dollhouse, Yeti, Jellyfish, Home, Cheese, Over Me, Ick. So there's a good, I like the way they've actually, where they've placed the matte colours and the kind of glittery ones. So yes, I will do a review of this palette. We'll swatch it anyway, and I will do a video showing you the face that I have managed to create with this box. So I think it's amazing. Just kind of thought, oh, I'm going to try this. You know how sometimes you're never sure. So what did I get for my £20? I got the Revolution Friends palette, which is stunning. I got the MUA Sunkissed bronzer. I got the Body Shop Shine Liquid Lip in Apple Taffy, which, you know, the colours are beautiful. I got the e.l.f., which I'm really looking forward to trying the blusher and the highlighter. I got a kohl. I got mascara. I got another little Narsy lipstick. I got a brush. I got this little Sport FX. This little, it's huge. These are amazing. And I got the Illamasqua Hydrovale, which is fantastic. I have tried that before. So what was there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. Actually 11 if you count the fact that the e.l.f. is a 2-in-1. So yeah, I'm kind of over the moon. Let me know what you think below. If you're interested, I'll pop the Depop down in my description, the link to the seller if you are interested, but not bad for 20 quid. So yeah, I'm over the moon. As I say, it'll give me a chance to kind of create a look as well. I do like the fact it's a look in a box. Yeah, I'm over the moon. Let me know what you think below, and if you're interested, I'll pop the details in. You know, Depop's a place that I kind of sometimes forget about, but I've ordered loads of kind of eyeshadows and things on there, and if you're looking for things, you know, you get a lot of people that sell things that they've maybe got in boxes that they don't want or they won't use, and the prices are really, really reasonable. So yeah, I really do like Depop and Vintage. Don't get me started on Vintage. I've discovered Vintage. I've ordered a few things from Vintage. They're only a couple of pounds, so it's fine. Okay, anyway, I've got to go now. Speak to you soon. Bye bye, guys.